You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Italian painter. For more names of different artists from Italy and beyond, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. From Pisa, Tuscany originally. In Italian, it's pronounced as Orazio Gentileschi. Gentile means a nice person or gentle. Gentileschi. Orazio Gentileschi. So in English, Orazio Gentileschi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.